I wanted the marine touches because I studied ships engineering and I've been working on board of ships in my younger years. So I'm looking for the connection with the water. That's why I was inspired to make it the way like this, the floor, the ceiling, all the details you find back on board of ships.
Hey all, today I'm here with Jacqueline and Reen, and they're gonna show us their self-built Mercedes Vario camper van.
I built this van about 5 years ago, and I hope I can inspire you and motivate you to do it yourself. So let's go around and see the car. It's a 615 Mercedes Vario, and it has a 4.5 liter engine. As you can see, it's all painted, it's all renovated. There's an awning of 5 meters. The total length of the van is 5 meters 60. And underneath we have a gas tank of 70 liters. It's a red one. And the gas we use for the kitchen and for the refrigerating reefer. And here we have the connection for the electricity, the water supply we can fill in here. We have on the fresh water we have about 180 liters. And in the back we made a box, and in the box is everything we need when we first come to the pitch. So the chairs, the ground, how do you call it? The ground covers. I will show you. For the electricity, the hoses for the clean water, the hoses for the dirty water, the gas hoses.
How long is together with the box, Brian?
Together with the box it's about 650. The box itself is 70 centimeters. And in the box we also have a outdoor kitchen. So, and in the kitchen of course there is storage room underneath. We can take this off. You see?
Lots of storage.
Lot of storage. And inside the van we have also a storage behind the box. And here you can see one of the water tanks. It's one tank, it's 90 liters. We have another one on this side, it's 180 liters. And on the tank we made a big hole, so for the cleaning. And of course the electricity, the gas.
How much batteries do you have?
One battery, 200 amp.
And then you have diesel heater and water accumulator and water pump.
Yes, yes. Okay. And on the roof we have 3 solar panels and sand plates. And this is the filling of the diesel for the heater. It's a separate tank of 40 liters.
So you never stay dry?
No. I always can start the engine. Yeah. This is the inside. The dashboard is was originally blue from Mercedes, this color, but we all painted it and covered it with leather, as well as the steering wheel. Everywhere storage room, space.
And this all is self-built?
All is self-built, yes.
Because
yes.
it looks like on the bolt, like pre-made something?
Yeah.
So you bend it by yourself?
Bend it by yourself, and the way it works is you make one big plate. You can see the lining going through. So it's one plate to start. It's the same curve as the back. And then you cut it into pieces to make doors.
The dining area? Is the table sliding as well here and back? Or?
This table is sliding back. Oh, this way. And of course, this way.
So
You can do
the leg is like made for boats or for
Yeah.
campers?
For campers.
For campers,
Yeah.
okay. And tell a bit about the floor.
And the floor, I'm inspired by the marine as well as the ceiling, as well as these details. So it looks a little bit like a ship. And this is a storage for the bottles, for the heavy bottles. This is all storage. This is the toilet. When it's open, it gives you some privacy. You can use the toilet, and underneath the toilet there's a little bit space. We use every centimeter for the shoes, tile. Here under is some space. We have a ladder to get on the roof if necessary. And I did not make the toilet and the closet to the ceiling because it's given a spacey view this way. It doesn't make it smaller.
And the shower? Do you have
Shower we have not inside, the shower is outside. Like this, and this is the old hanging point for the doors.
Old hinges.
So, yeah. And off we go. And you can shower. This is the kitchen with water. This is the ventilator, cooling ventilator for the oven. And also here we have storage room. This is an oven, also from boats. And it works very well on gas.
And it's 3 gas burners though.
3 gas ones, yeah. And my wife, she wanted always,
Huge bed.
of course, also, but a bed, a permanent bed.
Yeah, fixed bed.
Not every evening to build it up or so. For us, this is okay.
How big is it?
I think it's 195 by 150. And here we have a closet. It goes down to the bottom for long coats or dress or whatever.
To hang something.
To hang something, right. Here we have another closet. Another
Drawer.
Drawer. For the
toilet
toilet stuff. Yeah. And the reefer. Huge fridge. Yeah.
How many liters do you know?
I think it's 145. It's possible.
It could be. Looks like.
Yeah. And it's working on 220, 12 volts and gas. GPL.
And the hidden window.
The hidden window. This one.
Yeah.
It's the mirror. Like this. Making up in the morning. It's the right height.
It's a window as well. It's not just a mirror.
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Ah, you covered it.
No.
Okay. But it's still there.
It's still there. Yeah.
Okay.
It has no use.
Okay.
It has no use. I was planning to make a bathroom here, and then I thought, no, we're gonna make it different. And so the hole was already made. So this was a solution.
Do you know how many hours it took you to build it?
I think 2 years minimum. and all the details, and it's still not finished, but all the details I think 1 more year. To
Yeah,
get into
yeah.
the bed is just a little bit too high, so we made up a step so we can get into the bed. And also it's multifunctional because also this is storage. Yeah.
And there are 2 more drawers.
And 2 more, right? Yeah. And we made this like with all these locks, but after a while the heavy ones started to get loose, so I put 1 more for daily use. So when we are driving, everything goes on lock, and we are on pitch, we only use this. But this one is very solid, and this one is plastic.
It is.
Yeah.
I have changed many of them already. Yeah.
When we are waiting at a ferry or on the water, we quickly can get off the fishing rod and catch the meal. The meal of the day.
Yeah, the catch of the day.
The catch of the day.
So you do it often?
It depends.
Okay. And why van life? How did you come with the idea that you want to build a van and to travel?
We had a business and we were planning to travel because that was something the last 20 years we never came to. So we decided to build a van, and at this moment in the summertime we spent in Holland in the high summer, and the rest of the year we are on the way. And mainly in the winter in the south. Can be Greece, can be Spain,
Portugal.
as long as the sun is shining.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found something inspirational about this van build, and see you in the next one. Cheers!
Okay, bye bye.
Goodbye, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Is that actually window? Or
No, 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 no. It's fake.
It's fake, but it's a round window.
No, it's fake. Just the see, just a joke.
Just to have some more marine touch.
Yeah, when I wake up, I'm on ship.
The water is this time at the other side. At the front.
Yeah. And then the wardrobe is this one.
This is the one.
And you can, like, it goes all the way down.
Yeah. And this is the heater, so
Yeah.
I don't have to go out of bed to start a heater.
And here you can check the battery.
Yeah. This is for the dog.